In this video, I'm going to show you how to slide on into Google's People Also Ask section.
All-in-one SEO is a game changer when it comes to digital marketing.
I use this plugin for all my WordPress implementations.
And it practically does every step for you.
I think your product is one of my favorite plugins that I use on every single client site that I build.
It opened my eyes to what's possible in terms of SEO.
It gives practical suggestions. These suggestions have really significantly boosted our website search engine rankings.
Welcome to All-in-One SEO. We help you rank higher in Google and other search engines with our powerful WordPress SEO plugin. Click this link right here to start downloading and using All-in-One SEO right now. Let's get started. That's right. In this video, we're going to show you how to slide into Google's People Also Ask section. Sometimes I incorrectly call it People Always Ask, because people do always ask, but Google calls it People Also Ask. We can see it right here. Done a quick Google search for how to learn a second language. Here's the People Also Ask section. What's so special about this People Also Ask section? Why do you want to slide in there? Well, the simple answer is high click-through rates and lots of free traffic. So if you can score a spot here, you can get a lot more traffic to your website, a lot more visits, a lot more sales, a lot more signups, whatever your goal is. So in this example, I've searched for how to learn a second language. And Google's saying, people also ask, what is the best way to learn a second language? If I expand that, this website, Preply, has scored a result here. You can even see their site logo. And studies show that this section of the search results gets a very high click-through rate, can drive lots of traffic to your site. So that's why we want to slide on into People Also Ask. So the first thing we're going to do is install the All-in-One SEO plugin. If you already have AIOSEO installed, you can skip ahead to the next part of the video using the timestamps below. So let's go ahead and click on Plugins, and then click on the button that says Add New. If you haven't done so already, we're going to want to download the plugin from AIOSEO.com. You're going to go to the Account section, into your Download area, and click the big green button that says Download AIOSEO. And if you don't have an account already, you should be able to create one pretty easily. So back on the Plugins page of your WordPress website, we're going to go ahead and click the Upload Plugin button, and then click Choose File, and choose the plugin file that you just downloaded. And then click the Install Now button. After the plugin installs, click the blue button that says Activate Plugin. After the plugin installs and is activated, the AIOSEO setup wizard will pop up automatically. We have another video that walks you through these steps, and I highly encourage you to go through that wizard because it will just set up your whole website for success as far as your SEO efforts go. But for now, we're going to head back to the dashboard. And then if you scroll on down the page and click the link, there's a space for us to enter our All-in-One SEO Pro license key. Back on our AIOSEO account, which you can find at aioseo.com/account, make sure you're on the Downloads tab, and then next to where it says License Key, if you click on the icon, it will copy out our All-in-One SEO Pro license key. And then we're going to paste the license key into the license key field, click Connect, and that's it. All-in-One SEO Pro is activated on this website. If you want to be doubly sure, you can go ahead and click the blue Save Changes button. And then we're going to scroll up and click on the dashboard link, just so we're all on the same page. All right, so we've got All-in-One SEO installed. Why did we do that? Why did we install All-in-One SEO? Well, I'll show you right now. Let's head on over to one of our posts. I'm going to pull up this post called SEO Conference for Beginners. Now, if you want to get into that People Also Ask section, one of the best ways to do that is to put some Q&A questions on your website. So I could right now start typing in questions here and typing in answers, doing it manually that way. The problem is that will help you a little bit for that People Also Ask section, having that question and answer format. But Google is really looking for schema data as well. So unless you then want to go ahead and code your own schema data behind those FAQs or hire a developer to code them, you're going to have to find a faster way to do it. Luckily, All-in-One SEO has a built-in FAQ block that automatically creates well-formatted schema data for you. I'm going to pull up that block right now, Erase this text I put in here. And I'm going to search for FAQ. And there's the all-in-one SEO FAQ block. So if I use the all-in-one SEO FAQ block to create my FAQs, it will automatically create well-formatted schema data that Google will recognize, and I would say double my chances or even more of getting into that people also ask section. So it's very simple to use this. I can write my first question here, and I can put in an answer. What color is the sky? The sky is blue. And then I can go ahead and put in another question. I'm going to put it above here, make what color is the sky. My second FAQ, there's my all-in-one SEO FAQ block again. And there's my second FAQ. How many feet in a yard? 3 feet. And then let's go ahead and save this page. And I want to view the post. And I want to view the post because I want to show you the schema code that all-in-one SEO is automatically generating. So I'm going to right-click and say View Page Source. And then I'm going to line wrap this so we can make sense of it. I'm going to do Command F since I'm on a Mac. You could do Control F if you were on a Windows machine. And I'm just going to search for part of my FAQs. Color is the... And I got 2 of those. It's finding 2 of those instances of color is the sky. So the second one here, this is the code being generated from the actual Q&A that we see on the page. So this is fairly simple. I'm sure you could write this yourself if you know a little bit of HTML. WordPress automatically generates this, but the one we're concerned with is the one further up on the page. And the reason this is further up on the page here is because this is where schema code goes. It goes in the head. So this whole chunk here is all of the schema code on this page, but a good piece of it is the schema code for these 2 FAQs. So all-in-one SEO automatically creating this for you anytime you use the AIOSEO FAQ block to create your FAQs. So you could create your FAQs using the standard WordPress editor, but the benefit to using all-in-one SEO's FAQ block is it creates all of this schema code for you, makes it much easier to get into the People Also Ask section. So that's how to slide on into Google's People Also Ask section. If you don't already have our awesome all-in-one SEO plugin installed, we've got a link to it in the description below this video. It can help you out with the task in this video as well as many other SEO jobs that you might have to do on your WordPress website. If you click on this next video right here, I'll show you how to edit a robots.txt file. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to use our easy and powerful WordPress SEO plugin, all-in-one SEO.